Have you ever wondered what it takes to dominate the skies in modern warfare? Imagine soaring above the battlefield, piloting some of the most advanced and powerful helicopters ever built. The United States military's fleet of helicopters is nothing short of incredible, each one crafted for a unique mission and critical role. From stealthy special operations to heavy-lift giants, these helicopters are the backbone of military operations. To kick things off, let's explore the attack helicopters. These aircraft are designed to deliver precise firepower to ground targets and provide close air support in the heat of battle. Leading the charge are the AH-1Z Viper and the AH-64 Apache, both celebrated for their advanced targeting systems and formidable weaponry. Produced by Bell Helicopter Textron, the AH-1Z Viper's story begins in the 1990s, when it was developed from the earlier AH-1 Cobra to meet the evolving needs of the Marine Corps. After years of development and testing, it officially entered service in 2010. Powered by twin turboshaft engines, the Viper can reach speeds of up to 222 miles per hour and has a combat radius of about 125 miles. This helicopter is armed to the teeth, featuring a lethal array of weaponry, including AGM-114 Hellfire missiles, Hydra 70 rockets, AIM-9 Sidewinder missiles, and a 20mm M197 three-barrel Gatling gun. Its advanced avionics include the target sight system, which allows for precise targeting day or night, and the integrated helmet and display sight system, providing pilots with critical information directly on their helmet visor. Additionally, the Viper's advanced navigation and communication systems ensure it can operate effectively in all weather conditions and challenging environments. The Viper has seen extensive action in various theaters, particularly in Iraq and Afghanistan. It has proven invaluable in close air support and ground attack missions, providing troops on the ground with the firepower they need to succeed in their operations. Units such as Marine Light Attack Helicopter Squadrons 269 and 369 have been notable operators of this formidable machine. The AH-1Z Viper is set to receive continuous upgrades, particularly in avionics and weapon systems, to maintain its edge on the battlefield. Recently, Bell Textron introduced the Structural Improvement Electrical Power Upgrade (SIEPU), which optimizes the helicopter to improve mission capabilities. The SIEPU modifications extend the Viper's range and enhance its standoff distance, allowing it to upgrade to current weapon systems and next-generation capabilities, such as kinetic, long-range military weapons and air-launched effects. These enhancements, which include increased onboard power capacity for future weapons, will ensure that the Viper remains a critical component of the Marine Corps' combat strategy for years to come. Just a quick moment before we unveil the rest. If you're new here, consider subscribing to this channel. Stay up to date and never miss out on the latest insights. And now, let's go on. Moving on, the AH-64 Apache, produced by Boeing, was developed in the 1970s during the Cold War to counter armored threats on the battlefield. It entered service in 1986 and has since become a staple in military operations worldwide. Powered by twin turboshaft engines, the Apache can reach speeds of up to 182 miles per hour and has a combat radius of 260 miles. The Apache is armed with a variety of powerful weapons, including AGM-114 Hellfire missiles, Hydra 70 rockets, and a 30mm M230 chain gun. Its advanced avionics include the target acquisition and designation system and the pilot night vision sensor, which provides superior targeting and navigation capabilities in all weather conditions, day or night. To enhance its survivability, the Apache is equipped with advanced countermeasure systems, including the AN/APR-48A radar frequency interferometer, which helps detect and evade incoming threats. The Apache has an extensive operational history, having played crucial roles in numerous conflicts. It was integral in the Gulf War, providing close air support and engaging armored targets with precision. It has also been heavily utilized in Afghanistan and Iraq, where its firepower and advanced targeting systems have proven invaluable in counterinsurgency operations. The Apache is operated by various Army aviation units, including the 101st Airborne Division and the 82nd Airborne Division. The AH-64 Apache continues to evolve. The latest variant, the AH-64E, features enhanced digital connectivity, improved sensors, and upgraded weaponry, ensuring it remains at the forefront of modern warfare. The AH-64E version 6, V6 in particular, brings significant enhancements in lethality, survivability, and connectivity. Designed for multi-domain operations, the modernized Apache integrates seamlessly into future vertical lift ecosystems, leveraging advanced avionics, integrated sensors, and lethal firepower to maintain battlefield dominance. Additionally, the AH-64E V6 is the Army's most heavily networked aircraft and is capable of conducting integrated manned-unmanned teaming for both intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance, and lethal effects. This modernization effort focuses on reducing risks by building on the combat-proven platform, ensuring smoother transitions and faster deployment of upgraded fleets. Now let's move on to utility helicopters. These versatile aircraft are used for troop transport, medical evacuation, logistics support, and a range of other essential missions. The UH-60 Black Hawk is a prime example of this category. Produced by Sikorsky Aircraft and developed in the 1970s to replace the aging UH-1 Iroquois, or Huey, the Black Hawk entered service in 1979 and quickly became indispensable due to its adaptability and robust performance. One of the key reasons the UH-60 Black Hawk is so valued is its impressive technical specifications. It is powered by twin turboshaft engines, giving it the power to reach speeds of up to 183 miles per hour and a range of about 370 miles. This helicopter can carry 11 fully equipped troops, or an external load of up to 9,000 pounds, making it ideal for a wide range of missions, from troop transport to medevac and logistics support. The Black Hawk has proven its worth in numerous operational scenarios. It has seen action in every major U.S. conflict since its introduction, from Grenada and Panama to Iraq and Afghanistan. One of the most well-known incidents involving the Black Hawk was the 1993 Battle of Mogadishu, depicted in the book and film Black Hawk Down. Despite the challenges faced in that mission, the helicopter's resilience and the crew's bravery highlighted its critical role in modern warfare. The Black Hawk continues to receive upgrades to enhance its capabilities and extend its service life. The UH-60V upgrade program, for instance, integrates advanced digital cockpit systems, improving situational awareness and mission efficiency. Additionally, the U.S. Army has announced plans to further upgrade the Black Hawk fleet using funds from the canceled Future Attack Reconnaissance Aircraft program. These upgrades will focus on incorporating a modular open system architecture to allow for rapid integration of new technologies and capabilities. Next, let's look at the heavy lift helicopters. Designed to carry large loads, these powerful machines are essential for transporting heavy equipment, artillery, and troops. The CH-53E Super Stallion and CH-47 Chinook are prime examples, capable of operating in challenging environments to support large-scale operations. The CH-53E Super Stallion is the largest and most powerful heavy-lift helicopter in the U.S. military. Produced by Sikorsky Aircraft, its development began in the late 1960s, when the Marine Corps identified the need for a helicopter capable of lifting heavier loads than existing models. The Super Stallion officially entered service in 1981, and since then, it has been a cornerstone of the Marine Corps' aviation fleet. This helicopter is powered by 3 turboshaft engines, which provide the necessary power to lift up to 30,000 pounds of cargo. It can reach speeds of up to 196 miles per hour and has a range of about 621 miles. The Super Stallion's advanced rotor system, with its 7 blades, contributes to its impressive lifting capabilities and stability during flight. The Super Stallion has an extensive operational history, having played critical roles in numerous military operations. It was heavily utilized during Operations Desert Storm, Enduring Freedom, and Iraqi Freedom, where it transported heavy equipment, artillery, and troops into and out of combat zones. It is primarily operated by Marine Heavy Helicopter Squadrons, which are part of the Marine Corps. One of the key strengths of the CH-53E Super Stallion is its versatility. It is not only capable of transporting heavy cargo, but also of performing various other missions such as troop transport, medical evacuation, and even mine-sweeping operations. This versatility makes it a valuable asset in both combat and humanitarian missions. Looking ahead, the Marine Corps is transitioning to the CH-53K King Stallion, which promises even greater lifting capacity, advanced avionics, and improved performance. The CH-53K achieved initial operational capability in April 2022, marking a significant milestone in its development. The King Stallion boasts engines that produce 57% more horsepower with 63% fewer parts compared to its predecessor. This translates to an expanded capability to deliver internal and external cargo loads, providing the Marine Air-Ground Task Force with mobility and sustainment capabilities never before seen. The CH-53K can transport up to 27,000 pounds over a distance of 110 nautical miles, even in challenging environments such as high altitudes and hot climates, which is a significant improvement over the CH-53E. Additionally, the CH-53K incorporates advanced fly-by-wire flight controls and enhanced survivability features. The Marine Corps plans to deploy the first CH-53K Marine Expeditionary Unit detachment in fiscal year 2024, ensuring that this next-generation helicopter will soon play a crucial role in future operations. Another heavyweight in the U.S. military's helicopter fleet is the CH-47 Chinook. Known for its distinctive tandem rotor design and exceptional lifting capabilities, the Chinook was developed by Boeing in the early 1960s to meet the Army's need for a helicopter that could transport heavy loads and troops. Entering service in 1962, the Chinook has become a vital asset in military operations worldwide. This helicopter is powered by twin turboshaft engines, allowing it to reach speeds of up to 196 miles per hour and a range of about 400 miles. The Chinook can lift up to 25,000 pounds of cargo, making it ideal for transporting heavy equipment, artillery, and large numbers of troops. Its tandem rotor system provides greater lift and stability, which is crucial for heavy lift operations. The Chinook has a long and distinguished operational history. It saw extensive use during the Vietnam War, where its ability to transport troops and supplies through difficult terrain proved invaluable. In more recent conflicts, including the Gulf War, Afghanistan, and Iraq, the Chinook has been a workhorse, performing a variety of roles such as troop transport, medevac, and battlefield resupply. Its robust design and lifting power have made it indispensable in both combat and humanitarian missions. The CH-47 is widely operated by various Army aviation units, and its importance is reflected in its continued use and ongoing upgrades. The latest upgrade program, known as the CH-47F Block 2, introduces significant improvements to the Chinook's capabilities. The Block 2 version features advanced composite rotor blades that provide increased lift and efficiency, allowing the Chinook to carry heavier loads and operate more effectively in high-altitude and high-temperature environments. Upgrades to the electrical systems enhance the helicopter's reliability and provide more power for advanced avionics and mission systems. The Block 2 Chinook includes a redesigned fuel system that increases fuel capacity and range, allowing for longer missions without the need for refueling. Reinforced airframe structures improve the Chinook's durability and survivability, enabling it to withstand the rigors of heavy lift operations and combat environments. The integration of a digital cockpit system improves pilot situational awareness and simplifies the management of the helicopter's advanced systems, making it easier to operate and maintain. Now, let's turn to special operations and combat search and rescue helicopters. These helicopters are tailored for high-stakes missions, such as the insertion and extraction of special forces, covert operations, and reconnaissance. The MH-6 Little Bird and the HH-60W Jolly Green Taos are prime examples of these specialized aircraft. Nicknamed the Killer Egg, the MH-6 Little Bird is one of the most agile and versatile helicopters used by the U.S. military, specifically designed for special operations missions. Produced by Boeing, its development dates back to the 1960s, originally as a light observation helicopter, but it evolved to support special operations in the 1980s. The Little Bird is renowned for its small size, speed, and maneuverability, making it a critical asset for elite military units. This helicopter is powered by a single turboshaft engine, allowing it to reach speeds of up to 175 miles per hour and a range of approximately 250 miles. Despite its compact size, the Little Bird can be armed with M134 miniguns and Hydra 70 rockets, providing it with significant firepower for close air support missions. The operational history of the MH-6 Little Bird is impressive and storied. It has been extensively used by the 160th Special Operations Aviation Regiment, also known as the Night Stalkers. This elite unit relies on the Little Bird for a variety of missions, including the insertion and extraction of special forces, reconnaissance, and direct action raids. The helicopter's small footprint and exceptional agility allow it to operate in tight and challenging environments that larger helicopters cannot access. One of the most notable uses of the MH-6 Little Bird was during the 1993 Battle of Mogadishu. In this mission, Little Birds played a crucial role in providing close air support and inserting Delta Force operators into the city. Their performance in such high-stakes situations has solidified their reputation as indispensable tools for special forces. The latest upgrade program, known as Block 3, designates the upgraded model as the AMH-6R. This R stands for Resurrection, reflecting the renewed focus on the Little Bird following the cancellation of the Future Attack Reconnaissance Aircraft program. These enhancements include a new fuselage that increases the helicopter's design limit to 5,000 pounds, allowing it to carry more equipment and operate more effectively. The overhaul also incorporates new equipment, such as a smaller mission computer and interfaces for next-generation communication systems. These upgrades will extend the operational life of the Little Bird through the 2031 to 2032 timeframe, ensuring it remains a vital asset for special operations. Additionally, improvements in avionics and navigation systems will enhance its performance and survivability in various operational environments. Turning to another essential asset, the HH-60W Jolly Green II is the U.S. Air Force's premier combat search and rescue (CSR) helicopter, designed to replace the aging HH-60G Pave Hawk. Entering service in the early 2020s, the Jolly Green II brings advanced capabilities and improved survivability to ensure the successful recovery of downed aircrew and other isolated personnel in hostile environments. Powered by twin turboshaft engines, the Jolly Green II can reach speeds of up to 184 miles per hour, with a combat radius of approximately 275 miles. The helicopter is equipped with an in-flight refueling probe, allowing it to extend its operational range and mission duration. Advanced avionics, including state-of-the-art GPS, radar, and forward-looking infrared systems, provide precise navigation and targeting capabilities in all weather conditions, day or night. The Jolly Green II is armed with a variety of defensive and offensive systems to enhance its survivability in hostile environments. It can be equipped with two crew-served 7.62mm or 50 caliber machine guns and features integrated countermeasure systems, such as radar and infrared jammers, to protect against enemy threats. The Jolly Green II is operated by Air Force Rescue Squadrons, which are part of the Air Combat Command and Air Force Special Operations Command. Despite being a very recent helicopter, the U.S. Air Force is already planning several upgrades to further enhance the HH-60W Jolly Green II's capabilities. These include integrating GPS anti-jam systems to ensure reliable navigation, even in environments where GPS signals may be compromised, and upgrading its satellite communication systems with the Mobile User Objective System for improved beyond line-of-sight communication. Enhancements to improve performance in degraded visual environments will also be incorporated, ensuring safe operation in conditions like smoke, fog, and dust. Additionally, efforts to consolidate and streamline the helicopter's sensors and processors aim to enhance overall efficiency and reliability. Another essential category is the maritime helicopters. Operated primarily by the Navy, these helicopters perform various roles, including anti-submarine warfare, search and rescue, and maritime patrol. The MH-60 Seahawk is a prime example of this category. Developed from the Army's UH-60 Blackhawk, the Seahawk was specifically designed to meet the demands of naval operations. It entered service in the 1980s and has since proven to be an invaluable asset in a wide range of missions. Powered by twin turboshaft engines, the Seahawk can reach speeds of up to 180 miles per hour and has a range of about 450 miles. Its design includes several maritime-specific features, such as corrosion-resistant materials and folding rotor blades, which allow it to operate efficiently from the decks of ships. The Seahawk is equipped with advanced avionics and sensor systems, including radar, GPS, and forward-looking infrared, enabling it to conduct operations in all weather conditions, day or night. It can be armed with a variety of weapons such as Hellfire missiles, torpedoes, and machine guns, making it a formidable platform for both offensive and defensive missions. The operational versatility of the MH-60 Seahawk is one of its greatest strengths. It performs a wide array of roles, including anti-submarine warfare, search and rescue, medical evacuation, logistics support, and maritime patrol. In anti-submarine warfare missions, the Seahawk uses its sophisticated sonar systems to locate and track submarines, while its torpedoes provide the firepower needed to neutralize underwater threats. For search and rescue operations, the Seahawk is equipped with hoists and rescue equipment to recover personnel from the sea or other challenging environments. Its capacity to carry medical equipment and personnel also makes it invaluable for medical evacuation missions, providing critical care and transport for injured sailors and Marines. The MH-60 Seahawk is primarily operated by the U.S. Navy's Helicopter Sea Combat and Helicopter Maritime Strike Squadrons. These squadrons are strategically deployed on aircraft carriers, destroyers, and other naval vessels, ensuring that the Seahawk can provide rapid response and support wherever needed. The Seahawk continues to receive upgrades to enhance its capabilities and extend its service life. Recent advancements include the integration of the Lockheed Martin Common Cockpit, which provides advanced situational awareness and an easier interface for pilots. The Seahawk is now equipped with the AN/AS-44C multispectral targeting system and the AN/APS-153V multi-mode radar, improving its maritime surveillance and targeting capabilities. Enhanced weaponry, such as the Mk-54 lightweight torpedo and AGM-114 Hellfire missiles, boosts its anti-submarine and surface attack capabilities. Upgrades to its communication suite, including advanced data link systems like Link 16, allow for better interoperability with other naval and joint forces, ensuring seamless information sharing and coordinated operations. Improvements in rotor blade design with composite materials increase durability and performance, while the integrated mechanical diagnostic system enhances maintenance and diagnostic capabilities. Additionally, the Seahawk's advanced flight control system, including a digital automatic flight control system, improves stability and handling, further increasing its operational efficiency and safety. Finally, there are the multi-role helicopters. These adaptable aircraft are designed to carry out varied tasks and adjust to different operational demands. Combining the capabilities of transport, attack, and surveillance, they are well suited for a wide range of missions. Their flexibility and cost-effectiveness eliminate the need for specialized platforms for every operation. A remarkable example is the V-22 Osprey. It is a revolutionary aircraft in the U.S. military's arsenal, combining the vertical takeoff and landing capabilities of a helicopter with the speed and range of a fixed-wing plane. This tiltrotor aircraft has transformed how the military conducts a wide range of operations. Developed by Bell Helicopter and Boeing, the V-22 program began in the 1980s, with the Osprey entering service in the mid-2000s. One of the most striking features of the V-22 Osprey is its unique tiltrotor design. Powered by two Rolls-Royce Liberty turboshaft engines, the Osprey can transition from helicopter mode to airplane mode by tilting its rotors. This allows it to reach speeds of up to 316 miles per hour and achieve a range of approximately 879 miles. This combination of speed, range, and vertical takeoff and landing capability makes the Osprey incredibly versatile and efficient for various mission profiles. It can carry up to 24 troops or 20,000 pounds of internal cargo, making it ideal for troop transport, medevac, and logistical support. Its advanced avionics include sophisticated navigation and communication systems, which allow it to operate effectively in all weather conditions and challenging environments. The operational history of the V-22 Osprey is extensive and varied. It has been deployed in numerous conflict zones and humanitarian missions. The Osprey has seen action in Iraq and Afghanistan, where its ability to quickly insert and extract troops, deliver supplies, and perform medevac missions has been invaluable. One of the key strengths of the V-22 Osprey is its versatility. It is used by multiple branches of the U.S. military, including the Marine Corps, Air Force, and Navy. The Marine Corps primarily uses the Osprey for assault support, rapid deployment of troops, and logistical missions. The Air Force operates the CV-22 variant for special operations, using its unique capabilities to insert and extract special forces in hostile environments. The Navy employs the CMV-22B variant for carrier onboard delivery, transporting personnel, mail, and supplies to and from aircraft carriers. Looking to its future, the V-22 Osprey faces some uncertainty. Following a fatal crash off the coast of Japan in November 2023, the entire fleet was grounded for 3 months. While the U.S. military has now allowed the V-22s to fly again, it has implemented renewed training and maintenance procedures instead of equipment modifications. Investigations into the crash revealed a component failure, but the exact cause remains unclear due to corrosion of the wreckage. This incident, along with other mishaps, has prompted a thorough review of the V-22 program by various branches of the military and government oversight bodies. These ongoing investigations and the need for increased safety measures mean it may take several months before the Osprey fleet is fully operational again, casting a shadow over its future deployments and missions.